Hello and welcome to the AI Income Engine Pro system. First of all, let me thank you for your interest to learn about this amazing and incredible money making system. And if you have already set up your own basic version of the AI income system funnel and you're here to learn more about the pro version so you can scale up and leverage your results to the next level, then congratulations, keep watching. But if you came here for the first time and you have no idea about what the AI income engine basic funnel is and how it works, also don't worry, just watch this video very carefully and I'll explain to you everything you need to know about the AI income engine basic and pro funnels and how they work. What if you could instantly clone one of my proven vital systems that not only drives traffic and builds your list, but also makes you the creator, earning from other people's efforts? You are literally taking my place as the creator of the system and enjoy 100% of all the benefits. No need to start from scratch or waste time figuring things out. The system is ready for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, actually, it's 100% true, and you will understand exactly how it works right now. If you've been struggling to get results online, you're not alone. Most people fail not because they don't try hard enough, but because they try to do everything alone. The truth is, relying solely on your own efforts and limited resources is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck while trying to build their online business. You can go so far so fast on your own. But what if there was a smarter way? A way to plug into a proven system that multiplies your results by leveraging the efforts of others. A way to earn from multiple income streams while focusing on building just one simple funnel. Whether you are completely new or you have tried before without much success, this system is built to help you win, even if you're starting from zero. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ali. I started my online journey trying to make money online and learning about this online business since 2003. And like many people at that time, I struggled and failed for years, chasing every shiny object. I even quit several times. During that time, I wasted tens of thousands of dollars without making any progress. But hopefully, after years of hard work, patience, and consistency, I finally started seeing some results. However, they were modest, with just few sales here and there, which was not enough to cover all of my basic expenses and build a full-time income. But everything changed when I discovered the power of viral marketing systems. My results scaled up faster, leading to more sales and increased income, which lead me to a place where I can generate a full-time income and focusing on this business full-time. Now, here's some of my results in the past from ClickBank and JVZoo. And here's some of my recent results from promoting different affiliate offers up to $885, $500, $775 in a single day. Now, I'm not showing this here to brag, but just to let you know that I know what I'm talking about here. Introducing AI Income Engine Pro, your gateway to recurring income plus massive viral leveraging. Up to this point, you may have already set up your own basic funnel of this system, and you're here to learn about the pro version and how to take your results to the next level. So, if that is you, congratulations. Just keep watching till the end of this video to learn all the information you need about the pro version and how it's going to help you to leverage your results without any additional effort. Or you may came here but you are totally new to this system and you have no idea about the basic funnel and you didn't set it up yet. If that is you, don't worry because inside I'll show you how to claim and set up your own copy of the basic funnel first. And after that, you will get access to the pro version. So you'll supercharge your basic funnel and take your results to the next level without any additional work. It's just a one-time setup process. Now, the basic funnel gives you everything you need to generating traffic, start building your own email list if you want, and even earning multiple commissions from the main affiliate program in that funnel, in addition to the funnel builder platform, as you're going to learn right now, all from one place. Now, imagine supercharging that system. That's what this Pro upgrade is all about. So, what did the AI Income Engine Pro system exactly is? Firstly, and before we diving into the details on how the pro version of this funnel works, we must start by explaining how the basic version of the system works, which is the AI income engine system. Because it's really important to understand how the basic funnel works, and based on that, you will understand why the pro version is much more powerful. Now, here's how the basic funnel works. The first page in the basic funnel is a bridge page. So after you set up your own copy of the basic funnel, regardless of which funnel you're setting up right now, because this explanation here is generic and the funnel you're setting up right now may look different than the page that you're seeing here, but the concept is the same. Okay, so just focus on understanding the concept regardless of how the pages looks like. So the first page is the bridge page, which is going to look something like this. This is just an example here, and you're going to be sending traffic to this bridge page. If you set it up, there are many ways to generate traffic, and you're going to get access to them inside as well. Once you send traffic to this bridge page, you're going to be generating referrals to the main program or programs promoted in this funnel, in addition to the funnel builder platform. After that, those people who sign up to this bridge page and join those two programs will want to copy their own copy of the funnel, so they will get access to the training sign up page by clicking on a button on this page. It's going to redirect them to the training sign up page here. So they need to sign up to this form by entering their name and email address. And that's going to redirect them directly to the training area where they will be able to follow step-by-step instruction to show them how to set up the main program and also how to set up their own copy of the funnel, which is a bridge page as well. Inside also, they will get access to done for you marketing tools, splash pages, and capture pages if they want to build their email list. And at the same time, once they sign up here, they're going to be added to an email list through an autoresponder system, and there are going to be some follow-up messages set up to send people back to the training area to remind them if they didn't take action from the first time. Now, as a basic funnel end user, you'll be able to monetize only the bridge page of this funnel, and you'll not have access to monetize the training sign-up page, the email list, or the training area. And this is where the pro funnel will come in. So, how the pro funnel works. The pro funnel works exactly the same as the basic funnel in general, but the main difference is you're going to be monetizing also the back end training sign up page, the email list, and the training area, which will be full of affiliates and referral links. And those are going to be your own affiliate and referral links. So if you got anybody through your funnel, your benefit will not just stop here. Once they access the training sign up page, they will access through your own training sign up page, and they will access your training area, and they are going to be added to your own email list. But that's just the beginning, because there is a vital effect for the pro funnel, as once you get more people to sign up to the system and set up their own copy of the bridge pages of the system, they're going to start sending traffic to their own copy of the funnel, which are the bridge pages mainly. So all of those people are going to work to get more people to sign up to the main affiliate program and funnel builder platform through their affiliate links, but they are going to send everybody to your own training sign up page. So you're going to get all of those people added to your own email list and redirected to your own training area. And that process is not going to stop only on your direct referrals, but it's going to continue unlimited width, unlimited depth from the people you got directly or from their referrals and their referrals and their referrals, unlimited width, unlimited depth. I hope you understand how powerful that is. And keep in mind that this training area is monetized with your own affiliates and referral links, and the email autoresponder system set up with follow-up messages to send people back to the training area. And this email list here is going to be a vital email list, because those people who sign up here or come to this training area page are not coming only from your own efforts, but from the efforts of every end user using your funnel. Now, in addition to all affiliates and referral links on this training area, you will also make 50% commission from every pro upgrade. So if any one of your visitors who will come to this training area, who may come from your own effort or from the viral effect of the system, and they decided to upgrade, you're going to make 50% commission from every sale you generated. That means from only 2 sales, you will break even, and every additional sale will be pure profit to you, which is really powerful. So how many leads added to your email list or visitors you can get to your training area using the Pro Funnel version? Now, to demonstrate that, let me give you an example. This is not to guarantee results here, but just to demonstrate how powerful the system is and the potential result that you can get. So let's assume that you can get only 3 new active members per month, which is very low number, by the way. You may get 10, 20, or 30 or more, but to be more realistic, and it's something that anybody can do, let's assume that you can get only 3 new active members to the system. And let's assume that each one of your members, I mean your funnel end users, are getting also 3 new active members per month. They may get more, but let's assume that the active people out of those are only 3. Let's see in a period of 8 months what kind of potential results you may get in terms of unique leads added to your email list or visitors to your training area page. Now, as you can see here, those here are the month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 8. In the first month, assume that you got only 3 yourself, and assuming that those 3 will not get their 3 until the next month, or they take like 30 days to get their own 3. So by the end of the first month, you have only 3 members or 3 leads added to your email list. In the second month, month number 2, each one of those 3 will get 3. That's going to be 9 in addition to your own 3. That's 12. And don't forget that you have also the 3. So we add 3 to those 12. That's going to be a total of 15 active referrals. So by the end of the second month, you will have 12 new leads added to your email list and visitors going to your training area. And things are going to start growing month after month. In month 3, each one of those 15 are going to get 3. So 3 times 15, that's 45. In addition to your own 3, that's 48. And we add the 15 that we got in the previous month. The total will be 63 active members. So by the end of this month, you have 48 new leads added to your email list or visitors to your training area. And the number gonna grow month after month after month. In the 8th month, the number will grow to 49,116 leads added to your email list or visitors to your training area. Imagine if just small percentage of those people decided to sign up to one of the affiliate programs or upgrade to Pro, how much money you'll be able to make. So the result based on our assumption is 49,116 leads added to your email list or unique visitors per month in the 8th month. Now, it's not going to stop there based on this example because on 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th month, hypothetically, the number should grow and grow and grow over time. But let's assume that's going to stop only at the 49,116 leads per month. Now, even if it took you like 2 years to achieve such kind of results, it's still worth it. Now, what if you got only 10% of that? That will be over 4,900 unique leads or visitors per month added to your email list. And don't forget that all of those are real visitors who are interested to get access to your training area to set up their own copy of the funnel. So you're getting high quality visitors here. So here's what makes the pro version of this funnel a total game changer. You're no longer working alone. You're plugged into a vital traffic and list leveraging system. You will have multiple streams of income activated and monetized right from day one once you completed the funnel setup. Your new funnel is already built, ready to brand with your links, so you can start fast. You will get traffic strategies and tools that works for you even while you sleep. And just to make this a no-brainer, I'll also include 3 powerful bonuses when you claim your copy today. Bonus number 1, Traffic Generation Plan Video Course. In this course, you will understand the 2 important traffic generation factors, which are really important. You will learn how to pick your traffic source or sources because you don't have to use all the traffic sources out there. There are certain specific factors you need to know before picking up your traffic sources. And based on that, you will learn how to create your own traffic generation daily action plan. And finally, how to track, improve, and scale up your results. Bonus number 2, the daily action plan checklist and video course. In this video course, you will learn what are the main tasks to build and grow your online business. And this part is really important because many people are just doing things randomly and they don't have a clear plan and task checklist in place that they can follow on a daily basis. And this is what separates the people who are really serious about this online business from those who are just doing it as a hobby. You'll learn how to design your own daily action plan checklist based on several factors. You will also learn simple ways to manage your daily task checklist easily using a specific secret free tool. And this one gonna save you a lot of time as you don't have to sit down every day to create your checklist for the next day from scratch. This system is gonna help you to do that almost on autopilot. You will also get a checklist template that you can use, which is gonna help you to set up your own checklist really fast. Bonus number 3, our Facebook support community. You'll be able to join our exclusive Facebook group community, connect with other pro funnel owners, ask questions, and receive support. So here's what you'll get when you activate your pro funnel system today. An optimized, rebuilt funnel branded with your links, multiple income streams already integrated, and a system designed to multiply your results by leveraging others, not just your own hustle. So if you're serious about getting better results faster, don't do it alone. Plug in, activate your pro funnel, and let the system do the heavy lifting. You're also protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose here. But make sure to act fast. This low special price won't last forever, and it may increase at any time. The longer you wait, the more you may have to pay later. So don't miss out. Lock in your access now while it's still available at this low rate. So don't miss this opportunity and claim your copy of the AI Income Engine System Pro right now. You're also going to get access to 3 valuable exclusive bonuses. Keep in mind that you're also protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose here. So scroll down, click on any one of the payment buttons, make that one-time payment, and I cannot wait to see you inside.